Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to remove your guests from Google Calendar events. And basically the first thing that I will need you to do now is to connect to your Gmail uh, account and then just go to your Google Calendar application and follow these simple steps. And the first step is to go to the calendar or the event where you want to move or remove guests. So I have created here in this example an event that is called remove guests, so I can show you how to remove them. So basically all you need to do is to click on the event. You will find here an edit icon. You click on it and basically here you will find guests. So let's just have anyone here to add as a guest, and basically to delete or remove the guest, all you need to do is to click on the remove and the guest will be removed. So as you can see, now we have just removed the guest easily and successfully. And the most important thing is to not forget to save your action or to save your editings so that they will be removed now. So simply and basically, this is how you can remove your guests from your events on Google Calendar. Thank you for watching and see you next time.